Mounting and dismounting of the first generation wheel end bearings is done using an industrial press or a pulley puller tool with adapter. Clean the spindle and check it for wear and damages. Clean the steering knuckle and the bearing contact surface of the hub to remove rust and dirt, and apply a layer of anti-fretting spray or paste to the inside of the steering knuckle and the bearing contact surface of the hub. Press the bearing straight into the bushing by using an appropriate tool. Pressure should only be applied to the outer ring of the bearing. Failure to observe this rule will cause serious damage to the bearing. Install the new retainer ring supplied in the Moog box. Reattach the hub by using an appropriate tool and then reattach the CV joint. Install the replacement nuts supplied in the Moog box and tighten them according to the car's manufacturer's recommendations by using a torque wrench.
Make sure you come back to Garage Guru's CSI to see how we explain more warranty claims. We are Garage Gurus. Join our community. Follow us on social media. Thanks for watching this video. The video description contains all the relevant links. Don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and be notified when we post new content. Also, check out our Garage Gurus online course catalog.